Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting DIY video. Let's see what are we gonna do here. You have to make a spongy like pattern and on it paste the face of a tiger and then make the tails, hands, claws, and this is gonna look pretty cool. Here you have to get a butterfly, make the stick in this form and then you have to tuck the butterfly in between and get the wings flapped in this position, and this is gonna look absolutely pretty. Isn't it amazing? Now here you have to get a straw. Further, what are we going to do? Just get the straw cut in this portion and further you have to get this part, make it into this form, get the layers and further from the top to bottom you need to secure it in this pattern. Just fold it and roll them up. Here what are we up to? You just have to cut them along the lines in this manner. Further here you have to just fold them and roll them up in this form, and let's see what are we gonna get in the end. Just cut it in this form and then make it into the form of a snail, paste the eyes as well. Now here you have to draw the circles like this, pretty cool. Just draw them and further you have to paste them on a cellophane sheet like this, on a polythene like this, and further you need to tuck them up and blow them up in this manner. Isn't it cool? Now here you just have to get the sheet, just fold them up and roll them up in this portion, grab them up in this sheet. Here you have to get a flower and then tuck them up in this portion. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Further here you have to get the sheet, fold them up in this manner. Further you have to get this stick pasted along the lines in this way. Here you have to make it into the form, just curl them up and your elephant is ready. Now here you have to get a beautiful circular sheet and on it you have to make these pretty flowers. Just join them together and along with the help of your fingers you need to make the leafy patterns like this. Make a honeybees as well. Here you have to get a bottle cap. See again what are we up to? You just have to do this in this manner. Let them beautifully secured in this position. Get them made into this pattern, and here you have to get two of them made identical and then paste it over the bottle cap like this and then paste it along the line. This is cool, isn't it? Now here you have to get the leaves pasted in this form. Further here you have to join them and curl them up into a pattern like this. Now here you have to get a sheet and then further just get the folds along the lines in this manner. Pretty amazing. Now just cut them up and get beautiful flowers made in this form. And let's see what are we gonna do out of it. Get another sheet, you have to fold them up along the lines in this manner, and here you have to just stick them up in this way, and let's see what are we up to. You just have to get them pressed in this manner. Now here you have to just grab the sheet and make them form beautifully in this way. Now here you have to get it in this form. Further you have to get the straps pasted in this way and then get them beautifully secured like this. Here what are we up to? You just have to get the scissor and make it into this form. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Further here just cut them up and make it into this manner, and this is gonna look pretty. Thank you guys for watching.